Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy WORLD3 or WAI on Binance Alpha. So WAI just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how. First, you can open your Binance apps and don't forget to sign in. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search WAI. Search it. I'm sorry, AI. Oops. And then as you can see, there is WAI here. You can click it, and this is the chart. So the chart is not bad, I think, because it's not really dumb, so it will be higher, I think, but it's not financial advice. You have to do your own research. Also, you can check the details. You can click info here in the top, and you will see the 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume, it's good, 20 million. And also you can check their website and their social media. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click right here in the bottom, and then you can choose limit order. You can put the price here, it's up to you. That's for example like this, and you can choose the amount. Also you can choose instant. You can swap your USDT or other token to WAI. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.